Swear I won't forget this, why do I regret this? In my mind reckless, thoughts are feeling endless. Sitting up I'm breathless, anxiety's infectious. I feel so defenseless, betrayed and embarrassed. I hate being open, I hate being broken. I feel like an ocean filled up with emotion. Anger ain't a potion, rub it on like lotion. I can feel it soaking, reopen, the scars have awoken. I can't move on till I let go. I feel so lost, never at home. Need to be strong, every breath hope. Cause I can't move on till I let go. I can't move on till I let go. I feel so lost, never at home. Need to be strong, every breath hope. Cause I can't move on till I let go. I'm just lost to feel, I need time to heal. I can't steer the wheel, cause this driving kills. And it gives me chills, a nice road it feels. I slip off the peel and crash all the steel. Will I ever heal? I can't move on till I let go. I feel so lost, never at home. Need to be strong, every breath hope. Cause I can't move on till I let go. I can't move on till I let go. I feel so lost, never at home. Need to be strong, every breath hope. Cause I can't move on till I let go.
Very first, after fixing all 24 modules in the patch panel, you make the cable dressing very proper way, straight way, looking very beautiful. Then you fix in the rack, your IT rack, your server rack, your switches rack, 12U or any rack you can fix properly. This is the way how you can terminate the modules and patch panels for the IT rack, server racks. Okay, punch it. Make punching all wires. All wires sitting properly inside. Okay, this blue wire. Okay, okay. This blade should be outside. Now will be next cable, next and last cable. Completed. Finish.
Finish.
This is punch down tool. This is the blade side. This side should be outside. You can see this blade side should be outside, otherwise it will cut the real wire. Here you can see the punch down. Here is you can see impact. Here you can see impact, low, high. Release blade. This is used to release this blade out. And this one impact, it will, if you make it high, it will punch with the higher force. If you make it low, it will punch with the lower force. So this is the tool that is used for punching. It's called punch down tool. Thanks for watching the video. If you like, please like and subscribe. Bye bye.